There's 2 prizes. We have the trivia game. Oh wait, sorry, the kids are gonna go. Kids!
Kids! I'm not kids! 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 Kids!
Alright, let's go. Alright, no.
Hindi. Isa
One
lang.
more.
Isa lang.
Whoever's the winner of
Para
this
sa mga
one.
kids!
Alright,
Yan ay sa'yo, Ma. Yan ay sa'yo.
let's pick somebody that's not from your family. Let's go, alright?
Pick your family! It's not yours! Come on, it's not yours! Not your family, ha? Yung mga kids lang. Mga kids na, ma. Mga kids. Amin na.
Do you guys have cups?
Ayan, yan, cups. Ano ba, cups?
Yung cup ni James eh, warak-warak na eh.
Ito, cups, oh. Bale, ito pa, cups, oh. Ito, atawin ka na, Jess. Ay, ang the middle! Ang the middle! Oy, uro-uro kayo! Uro-uro!
Okay, space now. Make sure. Come here, girl. Come here.
Bakit pa naman uro na? Uro na ka pa.
Does everybody have equal space? Okay, man. All right, Tess, if you get the cup.
Watch your head, watch your head.
Hey, listen! Baka magkabungguan yung head na. Bung-bung, okay? Bung-bung.
Okay, let's do a practice round. Let's do a practice round. Okay, make sure everyone you're in alignment. Let's do a practice.
Okay, all right, practice. Head, shoulders, butt, knees, shoulders, head, head, no, knees, shoulders, knees, shoulders,
Louder, louder!
shoulders, knees, shoulders, knees, shoulders, toes.
Just make sure you put the cup before she says.
Grabe, toes mo naman. Toes,
Toast.
shoulders, head, stop.
Sit down, practice.
Practice lang yan. Okay, ready? All right.
Okay, this is the real game!
Into the left. Shoulders, head, butt, shoulders, head, toes, head, toes, head, toes, head, go! Alright, who are the winners? The winners say.
What's the have a cup? Ako kayo walang cup.
Alright, go. Siya, go. Alright. Ready? Shoulder.
Yeah, watch your head.
Head.